Grandma's Miniatures. Hello little ones, how are you today? Today's video is going to be very fun, but mommy or daddy should be with us. Tell mommy or daddy to join you. You must be wondering what we can do for our fine motor skills. Aside from holding down a pencil, crayon to color, there are so many other things that we can do around the house. Let me show you. You will need a drainer, pasta drainer, shoelaces. Let's hold down the drainer, guys, and let's take one part of the shoelace and let's place it inside and try to catch it from the inside and get it out. Look, it's both in and out. Another hole and place it in again, and it's like we are threading in and out again and again. Make sure that the holes are not too tiny and the shoelace are not too thin, not to make it too challenging for the little ones. We are going to need 2 cups, preferably children-friendly one, paper, pom-poms, or aluminum sheets. We will put them in 1 cup like this. And let's pinch it with our fingers, and if we can't, we can just use all our fingers to help us for support. And we pinch in and collect one. Do you see, guys? And place it in the empty cup. Pinch again. Ta-da! Who likes to paint and color? I do. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. So I got my blue paint and my blue brush. And I have a piece of paper. And let's see what I'm going to do. I want to show you guys that we can have so much fun with paint, with so many other things. I got some paint on my brush. Here an old sponge. Want to see how the sponge would look like on the paper? Let's see how this blue paint on the sponge will look like on the piece of paper. Are you ready? Wow, did you see this? Again. And again. So if you had a bubble wrap makes a good shape, but I don't have a bubble wrap. Instead, I have a gift wrap. Do you see this? See how this would look like with paint. Now that we got paint on the ribbon, let's place it on the piece of paper. Did you see that, guys? It made little dots like the ones up on the sky. Did you see that, guys? Need a piece of paper and a fork and, of course, paint and paintbrush. We're going to place the fork on the paper, like this. Do you see, guys? Hey guys, if we keep doing this over and over and over and over, do you see that? We have a spring flower. Or you can draw a line with a pencil or with the brush to make a leaf. And now we have a spring flower. Who is up for a quick and little experiment? We're going to need a Ziploc bag like this, and oil and some water. And put some water in it. Have ourselves water here. If we place the oil in the water, we won't be able to see it. So we're going to need some color. So I took my brush, I just dipped my brush in the paint. After you put some paint from the brush inside the water, it turned all blue. Now let's see what's going to happen if we put some oil. A little more. Do you See? Do you see these bubbles? Do you see these bubbles of oil? Do you see the bubbles on top of water? These little circles. It's because oil and water, they do not mix. Hope you enjoyed today's experiment and our little fun activities with paint, sponges, and the drain and shoelaces. Bye!